name is Isabel, and I can twist my tongue like this.
Well, now I know where Brad gets his good looks from. I'm Sheila.
Calm down, woman. Nice to meet you.
And tell me, are you good with your hands like Brad?
I used to be a builder back in the day.
So,
A builder? That's perfect. You're just the man I'm looking for. Now, I'm going to give you a little rundown of all the things I want done.
What the hell's going on here? I've just started the refurb on the bathroom. What? Yes, it's like I lost it and trashed the place. On whose authority? Sorry? Who ordered it? I don't know. The owner, I guess. Well, here's a newsflash for you.